Hi everyone. My name is Sajeesh Vijayan, and I'm a retail architect. I'm really passionate about building e-commerce applications. So today I wanted to showcase a stunning production-grade application that Claude helped me to build. Um, so um, this website is called like CineHall. We can use this application to book movie tickets in different locations, and so. Let me first log in. So this application has like two different login features, like two type of users who can manage. One is a regular user who can just go and book the website, book the tickets, and then there is another user that is an admin user who can manage all the theaters and location. Imagine that you are an admin owner, like you have like 10 theaters across the cities, and you can manage all the movie show times, everything. So there are basically two profiles. So before logging in, I want to say like what tech stack that Claude used to build this one. So for the front end, this application is built using React White, and for the back end, it's using like Neon serverless Postgres database, as well as it uses Fastify and TypeScript and also Postgres advisory logs for managing the seat management, like the concurrent to avoid the concurrent booking between two users. Um, and for authentication, it is using a Node.js built-in crypto script for password hashing, and it's also using a HMAC signed HTTP only session cookies for keeping the sessions for the signing. So let's log in. So the layout I used for getting all the images and thing, I reasoned with Claude, and it also build a very good search, like a search, and you can book, you can find your movies, and you can choose whatever the date and time. And this is the most important piece in this application, where it's like a highly distributed. Like, how will you avoid like your like thousands of users trying to book the same seat, right? So I reasoned with Claude on this, and there were like two options it provided me. It provided in the database side, there is a advisory lock. It came up with its own like in the Postgres database, they provide some advisory lock feature where based on the seat hold ID, you can maintain this. That was very good. And then so that concurrent users cannot book it, and there is a timer that it comes up with. For example, if multiple users are selecting the same seat, it just comes up with a timer in the checkout screen. So once this is 0, then it will reallocate that seat to the other users. So this was very effective. I tested it, and it worked like a charm. So and then all these transactions are like a standard production grade e-commerce transaction where like it's atomic. Either you once if you roll back, if you go cancel it, it just goes in one unit. The transaction is like one atomic transaction. And then so let's continue. So you can just provide any payment information. So once you book it, then it comes up with this QR code where you can use it to view your movies at the theater. It uses Node.js. So in my strategy, I put it like that for Claude, and then this is deployed on render. So there are other features like you can view your bookings, you can cancel the booking, you can view tickets, and I also want to showcase the admin feature of it, admin side of the booking for the theater. So like a theater, so in the admin console, like you can show all these theater screens, all the other functionality you can maintain. Uh, so that's it. So and it also builds us analyticals like how much revenue this guy got with how many bookings and all those things. So this is really awesome. So so basically I followed all the strategies that I learned in this course, and I put it like I followed initially when I built the site. I followed a strategic approach by narrowing down my options of what I want to choose to build, and then I took a step-by-step approach to build this application. And later on, this is a production grade application because after this, I used Claude to author end-to-end testing, and it came back with test results. Like it went through all the user flows, and it showed me all the pass and fail. And also it offered me that to fix all the failures as well. That is really awesome. So it fixed it, and I took a baseline report before and after for the end-to-end testing, as well as this was completely tested, load tested with the K6 tool, performance tool, and also it ran a full end-to-end security test suite, which is like a OWASP, which is like static and dynamic test cases. So